on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning into the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for checking us out once again. If you're new to the channel, thank you, bro. Hope you like what you're watching and you drop a subscribe or a like or something. Right now, I am super hyped. I just got off the phone with Summy, the one that I bought the car from. He had blue tint Altezza headlights that I'm getting for a steal. So right now, I'm gonna drive up and pick them up. Got roughly a 37-minute drive. What? Oh, baby.
Sure you want them? They won't look good in your car. I'll tell you that now.
Why are you saying that?
They won't look good in your car.
Why do you say it won't look good on my car?
Fuck it. I'm not gonna sell it.
No, give me. What the hell's wrong with you, bro? You're trying to convince me not to keep it?
Yeah.
Why? Look at that.
In the trash where they
Look
belong.
how beautiful that is.
Hold on, let them see.
Look at beautiful blue tint and everything. I'm excited. That's gonna look so good.
Let's put them on now.
Should we?
I'm serious. Let's put them on now.
Okay. So he just convinced me to do the install right now, and I haven't even given him the cash yet for them.
I know you're missing this at home.
It was in there, wasn't it?
Tell me how you lose a 10mm socket. And this guy actually lost a 10mm open head wrench. That's funny.
So he's over here talking crap about me, saying, "Oh, you left the 10mm when you last did the headlights." Where's your set of wrenches?
Right here.
Where's your 10? This has been on the car for at least a year. Since I bought the car, this has just been there. Maybe that's the rattling I've been hearing.
No, that's the turbo.
Plugs going in. Before. Después. Yo. Wow. Jesus, yeah, that's a big difference. Oh my God.
Let's see if you should take a picture of it and see if anybody notices it. Yo, what would you do if your mom notices it first? Like, what the hell is that? It's like, Mom! Headlights on, turn on your flash, they're on, and your city lights are on. Everything works?
Everything's good? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Check that out. Oh man, you look, why are you so mad? He looks angry. Damn, bro. Thank you, sir, for the assistance and for the beautiful headlights.
They fit, so let's take them back out.
Yeah, okay. And she's done. Haven't even paid for them and they're already on the car.
Yeah, where's my money?
See you later, bro. Thank you, dude. Holy crap, they look so good. Look how it looks so different. I love it.
Oh yeah, and this was yours from my trip to Dubai.
Oh, let's check it out. Check it. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's him going right there. Gonna take out the JDM one. That way you can actually see the intercooler. Cleaning it up.
That kind of went too close to your face.
It's all good, bro. We got that fisheye going on, so you can see everything still.
Oh shit, that is pretty dope. I didn't even notice that. Hello, fishy. I speak fish.
because of traffic, we now have a 57-minute drive instead of the 30 minutes on the way here. Well, I'm gonna head home now. Thanks for checking out the video. The headlights look mean. This car changed the whole look of the car. So I'm gonna head home now, get stuck in traffic for an hour. I'll see you on the next upload.